Hey, what's up YouTube? Kyle here from RR Buildings, and we got a video here where we're gonna be talking about a brand new tool line that was exclusively released at Lowe's just recently. And unless you live under a rock, you probably already know that. It's the Flex tool line. It's a 24-volt lithium ion platform. These are all brushless tools, and thanks to you, a lot of you were asking for my opinion on this tool line. So I've partnered with Lowe's. This is a sponsored video. They sent all these tools out to me so that I could give you guys a closer look at them. So let's get into it. So this is going to be an informational video. We're not going to be, job site testing these or putting them up against other tools. That will probably be done later at a different time and date on my Instagram, my TikTok channel. So make sure you're following me there. But let's go ahead and start by talking about the Flex Advantage. First, we're going to talk about their batteries. Their batteries are 24-volt lithium ion batteries, and they're going to be delivering 20% more power than the competition. And on top of that, the technology that's inside each one of these batteries is going to be monitoring each individual cell to optimize and increase power output, while the brushless motors are automatically delivering the precise speed and power that you need, whether you're doing a light or heavy duty application. Now, we all know extra power is great, but if it's not going to last, what good is it? Flex went ahead and added innovative cooling design to the battery along with Thermatech materials, which was proven to show a 25% longer runtime than the batteries that didn't have the same technology. Now, even if you have an increase of 25% in your runtime, that does not mean your batteries are going to last all day. Thankfully, Flex's industry-leading recharge time can get you back to work in as little as 25 minutes, and that's because there's a lot of technology in that charger that is optimizing the battery recharging, keeping it cool, and increasing your battery life. Now that we've talked about the Flex Advantage, let's take a look at what you guys really came for, and that is the tools. All right, first tool we're going to talk about is this 1/2-inch drill driver, and this is a 2-speed unit, so you've got 2 speeds here selectable at the top, as well as 22 different clutch settings. Now, depending on if you're in first or second speed, you can max out at 2,000 RPM until you hit the turbo button. We've got a turbo button also that's going to allow you to go up to 2,500 RPM. This tool weighs in at about 3.7 pounds and 7 inches long. Here we have the reciprocating saw. This is going to have an 1.25 inch stroke. It's got 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute. It weighs in at 7.4 pounds, has a keyless blade change. You've even got orbital action here, as well as vibration suppression. Next, we've got the 5-inch angle grinder. This has got a speed setting selector button back here with 4 speeds, max RPM of 10,000. We've got an easily adjustable safety guard, a standard 5/8 arbor. It weighs in at 4.2 pounds and has anti-kickback built into it. Okay, next tool we're going to talk about is the 7.25 circ saw, and this has a 5,800 RPM at no load. We've got an 1 7/8 cut capacity at 45 degrees, and we've got 2 5/8 at 90 degrees. You've got a 0 to 56 degree bevel. The saw weighs in at 9 pounds, and Flex claims 520 cuts through 2x4 with their 8 amp hour battery. Last but not least, we've got the impact driver, one of my favorite tools on any job site.
Heads up.
This has 3 speed modes. You've got 2 self-tapping modes. You've got a quick change 1/4 inch collet. This thing is going to run at 2,500 inch-pounds of torque. You've got 4,000 RPM and 4,450 impacts per minute. It weighs in at 2.7 pounds and at 4.7 inches long. All right, that's going to wrap up today's video. We talked about the Flex Advantage, 20% more power, 25% more runtime, and 50% faster charging. And I gave you guys a quick rundown of these 5 core tools. Now, Flex is rolling out over 100 tools this year. They're all exclusively available at Lowe's. If you guys are looking for more information, check out the links down below in the description, or go head to your local Lowe's store for more info or to purchase these tools. If you are wanting more information from me on my thoughts about them from an ergonomic standpoint, from a runtime standpoint, from a durability standpoint, or just in general, how I like them or dislike them or how they work out on the job site, that information is going to come at a future date, probably going to be on a multitude of channels. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Just search RR Buildings and you're gonna find me. But hopefully this helped you, or at least gave you some information and insight into this new tool platform. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you with that. And like always, if you guys enjoy the content, make sure you're, what?
I thought we were gonna make a flex video.
We just made a flex video.
No, like a flex video.
Bro, that's our other channel. Get out of here. Let me finish this video. Yeah, no, get out of here. Like always, if you enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If nothing, give Greg a thumbs up for being a goofball, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.